Basica is a highly specialized consulting firm. We promote highly specialization, and we focus in technologies we are leaders. That gives the customer a very flexible, very close to the customer company, and allows us to focus on those technologies where we are leader. Our quick start program is BAS Web Desk, and uses all the web center capacity to build a webtop or web desktop. It uses all the universal content management capabilities in order to promote the collaboration on documents and content between people from different departments. Also, the solution allows people to contact their colleagues in real time, which makes it easier to organize events or meetings. 99% of the users already knows how to use the solution. It's a web-based solution, and therefore it's not a new concept for them. Therefore, in any case, we ensure that the knowledge is transferred by a one-week training before we deliver the solution, before we go live, and as well with online videos following a step-to-step approach in order to use the solution. We are not focusing on any specific customer or any specific industry. The solution is totally valid for any industry, any customer, and in fact one of the first objectives is to promote the interdepartmental communication, the interdepartmental collaboration. If the company has knowledge to share, then the solution is for that customer.